Your name. Why are you blinking?
I don't know.
You don't know your name. Why? Yeah?
UMA.
UMA. Uma.
Yes. Yes.
SEE. Sita. SEEWATHA. Then what?
Over.
Over. What's over?
THA.
THA. That is Sweta. Sweta means it's going to be SCWETHA, right?
Palaniyappan spelling.
Huh?
Palaniyappan spelling.
Palaniyappan spelling. Who is that Palaniyappan?
My father.
Your father. What's your father occupation? What he is doing now?
Sita.
Huh?
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping there. Where is he sleeping?
He's sleeping on the US.
He's sleeping in US. What he is doing in the US?
He's sleeping.
Ah.
Now it's for him night.
Huh?
Now for him it's night.
Oh, it's I know that. It's going to be 6 or 8 hours difference, so it is going to be night time.
Sir, he's sleeping.
Oh, right. Did you speak to your father last day? I
Yes.
think you have spoken no.
Yes.
What you ask for your anything ask?
See, I have nail polish.
Huh? What?
I have nail polish.
Have nail polish.
Yes.
It is different color. One is pink, one is red. What is this? Another means blank. What? Yeah, tell me.
In the shop. In the shop he was putting.
Oh, right. I got it.
He's got me will put the purple.
Purple. Is it purple? It's pink, yeah.
No, this is purple, this is pink. No, this is...
See, yeah, it is pink. It is actually orange. This one is red. Now tell me which one is pink and which is on purple. Is it purple?
What? This
Hmm.
Okay, this is purple.
This is pink. Do you know purple?
Okay, this is pink,
Ah.
purple.
No, this is purple.
Purple.
No, this is pink. Why, yeah? What?
Rose.
Now tell me which color is this one.
Rose.
Rose. Rose means you are saying about flowers, right? Huh? Is it flower?
I don't know this color.
Why, yeah?
I forgot it. This is red. No, this is pink.
Yeah.
This is purple.
Mm-hmm.
This is red.
No, yeah, this one is purple and this one is pink and this is one is orange. Now tell me which one is which color? Which is which?
No,
Yeah,
this is not orange.
I know this is pink, this is purple, this one is red. Is it correct?
Red, pink.
Mm-hmm. Who is this one? Who is this fellow?
That fellow. Veepu.
Veepu. Veepu means?
Veepu.
Veepu means?
That's mama.
Mama. Mama means uncle, not Veepu.
Name Appu.
Appu. Did you visit Palani?
He names Appu and
Have coffee. Have tea or coffee.
no, my
Have
mother
it, yeah.
beat me.
Why? Yeah? I am giving no. How your mother having that much? I am not going to leave her. Come here. Have some drinks. Sorry, have tea. Have tea. Yeah. She's not going to be tell anything. Have it. You have it for me. Have it. Yeah. Have some. Then I will be very happy. If you have something else, I will be very happy. I know your mom saying something, right? The mom saying something. No, come here, sit here. Have it. Why, yeah?
I don't like.
You don't like. Why? Everyone is scolding you, na? Okay, bye.